guys, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita. Today I like to share with you my banana bread. I'm making 4 loaves of bread, okay? So I have 8 cups of all-purpose flour, overripe banana, 4 eggs, 1 cup of raisins. Now if you don't like raisins, this is optional. 4 cups of loosely measured brown sugar, 4 sticks of imperial or margarine. You can use butter if you want to, but today I'm using margarine. 1 teaspoon of salt. This is 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 teaspoons of baking soda. After we do this, we're gonna have to turn on our oven, okay, to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna do this just lightly, okay, just lightly like that. All right, so first we're going to put our baking powder in here, baking soda, okay, our salt, and we're gonna have to whisk it just enough to mix the other ingredients, okay? We're gonna have to put that aside. Our brown sugar and our margarine, okay? We're gonna cream that. Like I told you when I was making my bread machine banana bread, I like using brown sugar because of the molasses taste, okay? That goes into my banana. It really goes well with the banana. Now we need to mash, all right? It's really good to use overripe banana for your banana bread, okay? It's really, really good. My vanilla, this is 4 teaspoons of vanilla, okay? 4 teaspoons, all right? This is optional like I told you. But if you want this, or also you can put any nuts, like walnut, pecan nuts, so on and so forth. That's an add-on, okay? We're gonna stir that in. Before I put my eggs or egg in there, I always crack it in a separate bowl, because sometimes, like I've been telling you, you run into a bad egg or eggs, okay? So one at a time like that. It's much better to dispatch your egg when it's bad and toss it in a trash or in a sink when it's bad, rather than find out later that it's bad when you already put them in there, right? So that's a no-no, you know what I mean? So anyhow, so that's that, okay? So we're gonna stir in the egg. So we're gonna turn it on to just 1. We're gonna just stir it in just enough to mix it together. You don't want to over mix it, right? So now I'm gonna put this together of either here or over here. So I'm gonna put it in here because I'm gonna put them together in here anyhow. We're gonna put them all in here. Just stir. Number 1, okay? Oh, by the way, you could use your whisk if you don't have a handheld mixer. No problem. We're going to put this in here, okay? So we're gonna make a little thingy like that. It's much easier, right? So we're gonna get a wood spatula. Okay. So, but we're gonna keep this one to scrape our thingy, our goodies, okay? The technique of this is you don't want to over mix your flour, the butter. The only reason why I'm making 4 loaves of this, because I have a lot of overripe banana. Can you see it's almost moist? We're gonna have to put that in there. Our mixture or flour was almost moistened, I should say. So we put the raisin in there. The reason being for that is we don't want to over mix our batter, okay? When you over mix the bread, it's kind of hard and you know, dense, okay? Let me put this on a bread pan and I'll put them in a preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna bake it for we'll start 50 minutes, okay? Because we have 4 loaves of bread. Guys, I forgot to show you how we should fill our bread pan. I leave a space like this, okay? Not too full because it will, you know, rise. I say that over there. It's no big deal. Just go like that. Okay? Just kind of moisten it in there. Set your timer to 50 minutes. Okay, my 50 minutes, it's up. Let's see how it looks. I have toothpicks here. Okay? We're gonna, oh, no. Can you see? It's absolutely not yet because I can see that. Okay. So, let's do this. Let's roll it tight. Let's put the one on the top and the bottom to evenly cook our bread. Okay. So, we'll go for 10 more minutes, okay? So, all right, 10 more minutes. All right, guys, after 10 minutes, let me see. Ooh, that looks so good. Okay, let me see. It smells good too. All right, let me see. In the middle. Ta-da! Wonderful. Okay, that's the top, right? So, what about in the bottom? We want to be sure, right? So, wow, that looks so good. Okay, let me see. Oh, yeah. Oh, you see, it's always good to check. It tells me this one, it's not done yet. So, if we didn't check, okay, that's disaster. So, sometimes it happens like that. Sometimes it happens. So, we're gonna add 5 more minutes. Okay, that should be good. We're gonna come over here and leave it here. Let it cool off for 10 minutes in this pan. As long as you leave it here for 10 minutes, you can take them out and then you can start cutting it, put some butter in it or margarine and start eating it. Okay, now I'm gonna do something that I think I probably okay with your clean hand, huh? Okay, so see that? You see that? Okay, the reason why I told you guys to leave it there because the dough still kind of soft. If you leave it in there for 10 more minutes because still cooking, okay, the dough will kind of form a little bit more firmer than it is now, okay? You can also freeze this bread in a put them in a freezer, and then whenever you feel like bread, just let it get thawed, slice a little bit and put them in a, you know, either in a toaster or in a microwave to warm it up for 15 seconds. Anywho, try it. I hope you like it, and until next time we cook again or until next time you cook with Tita right here in my kitchen. I hope you like my recipe. Like I always say, bon appetit and thank you for watching. Bye.